Hey, Rocky here. And today, we are getting very, very close to something dangerous. The sun, our powerful sun. Not too close though, trust me, stay with us. This is going to be incredible. First question, how big is the sun? Most people know it is big. But here is the truth. 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. 1 million Earths, 1 million. If the sun were a basketball, Earth would be the size of a grain of sand. So, what is the sun exactly? It is not on fire. Seriously, fire needs oxygen to burn. There is no oxygen in space. The sun is a giant ball of superheated gas, held together by its own gravity, constantly exploding from the inside. That explosion is called nuclear fusion. Every single second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium and releases more energy in 1 second than humans have used in all of history, combined. Now here is something that will blow your mind. The light hitting your face right now left the sun 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes. The sun is 150 million kilometers away, and its light still reaches you in just 8 minutes. That is how fast light travels. And here is why the sun is absolutely vital. Without the sun, Earth would freeze within weeks. Temperatures would drop to minus 270 degrees. All plants would die. All food chains would collapse. All life would end as we know it. The sun is not just a light in the sky. It is the engine of all life on Earth. Before we go, one mind-blowing fact. The sun is so massive that its gravity holds 8 planets in orbit, plus billions of asteroids and comets, all spinning around it at thousands of kilometers per hour. And it has been doing this for 4.6 billion years, from a grain of sand Earth to the engine of all life. The sun is truly the most important star in the universe. For us, anyway. Science is truly incredible. Science is everywhere around us. If you loved this episode, smash that subscribe button so you never miss an adventure with Rocky and Spank. And tell us in the comments, how close would you dare to go? See you in the next one.